See, it's coming out. And that's going to get a lot of that grease. Hey guys, welcome to your review channel. I'm making a quick video here. I'm going to show you a little hack that I know, and it works most of the time. If you get little clocks like this here when you're out and they don't work and they stop and they start, you can see this one here wants to run, but it's really dirty. This clock's probably about 70 years old or 80. There's all gunk and dust in there. I have a really good hack for you. What I would do instead of taking, if you don't know how to take apart clocks and all that stuff, I use WD-40. What I do is I soak the inside of this whole area here. What that does is gets rid of a lot of the dirt, the dust, the gunk. Just helps a lot, just disintegrate some of that stuff. And then I'll do a light oiling, and really most of the time that really takes care of it. As long as the bushings are in good shape, that really does solve a lot of issues. So I'm just going to show you how I do that real quickly. Again, WD-40 or any kind of degreaser, oiler, things like that nature. They work really, really well. Just want to spray it inside. Don't want to get it on the face. Just like that's why I have this with the controlled nozzle, and just spray the inside and in the back here. And what that does is all that dust and grime and sticky stuff. That's all the sticky stuff that stops the clock from ticking. That's what really goes on. So this is just a quick hack instead of taking it apart and soaking everything. And that's what you usually should do. But if you don't know how to do that, this is just the second best way I find. And most of the time it does work. All right, so let's just spray this down. Right now it's not working, as you can see. And let's spray it down and see if it runs. Okay, guys, so now I'm just going to take my WD-40 here. It's got the control nozzle right here. You can see that. Just give it a good shake. And just basically just want to get it inside here. Okay. Let me show you that. Open this up. See, it's coming out. And that's going to get a lot of that grease and degrease everything. Just going to let it just run like that. And when it's done, you let it dry underneath here so you can get inside here. Like that. Like that. And it's not going to really hurt anything. We're just going to dry it off, let it dry. And let that soak. Let that just... It's already starting to run, if you can see. It already wants to run, so we're just going to let this dry out. Shake it out. And I'm going to show you how to oil it. It's already, you can see it. It wants to run. It just wants to be cleaned. That's all these little clocks want. They just want a little cleaning. And it really works most of the time. I have to tell you, it's a really good life hack. You don't have to take it all apart. Just give it a good cleaning. You can see it's already ticking. A little bit of oil, this thing's going to run pretty good. I got a feeling already. And I'm just going to use an air gun just to blow it down and finish that up. And that's it. That's all you got to do. Okay, guys, so you saw how I cleaned it outside, and this is an oiling pin. I just definitely recommend getting something like this to oil the small parts. Now, you saw I cleaned it, and it hasn't stopped running it. See, it just really needed just a little cleaning to get in there. Now, I'm just going to get a pin. I'm just going to oil all the points that I can reach. Just do the best I can and just hit all the oil points and where the gears are moving and just all these little areas right here. Just to give a little bit of oil. Sometimes you can't take these apart because sometimes it just made to be thrown away, honestly, not to be repaired, a lot of these older clocks. But I'm going to oil the best I can. I used a pin like I was explained to you, and you just dip it into the oil. All right, and it makes a little tiny droplet, and you basically just tap the little parts of the clock that has the gears and the little rockers and all that stuff there, and that's pretty much all you got to do to oil these clocks up. Very, very easy. Like that. Let's see where else. This one over here. Like that. And that really goes a long way. Just a little bit of oil really goes a long way with these kind of things. It's just a simple way to either get these clocks running again and just, work on them slowly and just get them all pinned there. Yep, got that one. Let's see where else we got here that I can see. And this one right there. Let's do that one there. Right here. A little bit of oil right there. You don't need a lot of oil when it comes to these clocks. They do much better with less oil. This probably hasn't been oiled probably in 50 years. At least. Oh my God. You can see it's ticking inside there. So that's all you have to do, guys. Just get in there, give it a little oil, and just don't be afraid to get in there and just give things a shot. And I'll do it in this little pendulum right here. Get it inside there. right there. Yep. Just a little bit of oil. That's all you need. And that's working pretty good. It's ticking along right there. Nice. No issues. Sounds really good. It sounds like a good beat too. I can hear it. Yeah. Okay. All right, guys. So that's how you do it. That's how you clean the clocks and just get things rocking and rolling. Appreciate your time as always. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll leave a link for these kind of pins to the oil pins. They're really good to have. And also some clock oil. That's all you really need. And then you can just basically clean it like I just did, and you're good to go. WD-40 goes a long way, and it seems to be working quite well. Okay, guys, see you at the next review, and thanks for watching.